Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to talk very quickly about infographics. So what is an infographic? It's a visual representation of data. So it can be presented to an audience, which is a form of content, in a way that is easy to understand. So for example, let's say you needed to get a load of information from analytics up in front of an audience and say, well, here are all the different places in the world that you have an audience in, and you wanted to present that to somebody. You could present that in the form of, say, for example, a pie chart. There are many different types of infographics and they're used by almost every company out there. So it's really, really good to use them, especially when you're trying to sell a product to get things across, because rather than selling with something like numbers, it can be very, very good to put them in a nice, easy to understand visual format, which is also pleasant on the eyes. Now, if you want to create content like this, my advice to you would be to go to canva.com. And I'm not getting paid anything for this. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. Canva is really, really good because it will allow you to create any of these kind of infographics that you could potentially want, such as charts and other informations like that, and it will allow you to do this for free. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.